Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing okay. You had a fantastic week. There's been like some crazy volatility, um, especially in currencies. I think yesterday the Japanese yen was down like 2% or something like that. I mean, all assets are kind of volatile at this point. Um, uh, Oh my god, yeah. 352 pips uh, drop yesterday, and now it continues. I think we're gonna sweep this low somehow and then push back up. So I think everything looks very, very, very overstretched, if you ask me. Of course, I can be wrong about it. To me, this looks like some sort of deviation here. And basically, I will recap the trade. Okay, um, I had the trade here. This was a like a position that was before CPI, and I de-risked ahead of the event. I wrote down in the group that we will de-risk ahead of this CPI event, and now we will wait for the next. And I think I even wrote it here, if I recall. Yeah, yeah. So that's what I said. If I get stopped out, no worries. You can always re-enter. So I took a minor loss here, and I kind of waited to see like what the price is doing, and I kept asking myself, okay, you know what? I'm gonna start putting orders into this area here, and I am now exposed. I took a bit of risk because I think this move is done. Obviously, if I'm wrong, I would rather be wrong in around here. So that's the place where I will be like dead wrong. So that's where I will close my positions. But um, overall, I think in terms of risk it's quite good. So if I nail this trade, I will make some really, really good money. The reason why I took this risk here is because I had a Bitcoin position that I held from 28th of August from 16 to 100. It was a smaller position, but being a swing trade, um, I got some really, really nice returns. I also got some very, very good returns on this trade here and on gold to when I started the year. I got stopped on silver, but and I had this Aussie Swiss trade here, very, very nice, 2.85R. Um, So I have some like ammunition for this. So my plan is um once we kind of like break down, but I think this is the top. I want to see a dollar squeeze. Right, so I want to see this squeezed lower here. Um, if I'm gonna like if I'm gonna get below past this point, I will probably add to my position, and then we will take it from here. Otherwise, this is a carry trade also, so swap fees are good. I'm not bothered, to hold shorts. um that's why, here I got like such a good so many good swap fees that when I closed the remainder of the 10% of the position here, when I got stopped out basically, um, I ended up in profits on that position. So it was good. Um, so yeah, this is the trade for euro. Basically, the XY is an inverted chart of the euro, right? We've we- we're very close to some levels here that maybe we will get here today to 101. um so sorry, this is the better chart. So if we get into this area here, probably this is like a really good area to long the dollar. I mean, it would be stupid not to long it from here. Obviously, but it sits also on the 50% Fibonacci here. So we're kind of like a midpoint, and usually the midpoint is a trigger for longs. Maybe it will, deviate, bounce from here and then up. Uh, and then I say like, s- if we break past below this point and get here, then yeah, obviously I'm gonna be dead wrong on this trade, and I will lose in around 2.5%. So it's a lot. It's a bit of a risk trade, but I think it's worth it if you ask me. But you never know. So, but I think we will turn. If not, then yeah, it's okay. I'll take a 2.5 risk loss. So it's okay in my books because I started the year very, very good. So not too worried about it. Okay. The British pound looks okay. Kind of like rangy. Not much to say about it. Let me see if I can map out some stuff. Okay, deviation here. Well, now we're back into this range here. So let's see. Yeah, this looks a bit weird. So I'm not gonna touch this. I don't like the structure here. If it breaks again here below, I will take a short. I'll look for shorts below this 1.21 all the way to 1.7254. So this is the area where I will take profits and look for longs again. Let's see how it plays out. I mean, we had some strong rally, and if you think that markets are not gonna correct them, they're not linear, so we should get some corrections. The Aussie had it's kind of like choppy. It's kind of a mess. I had a few trades on this. I really don't want to, focus on stuff that I don't like. So the yields. Let me see. Yeah, okay. We're almost close to the 200 EMA. I know some of you don't trade like moving averages and they think they're stupid or whatever. But this is part of my trading, right? So this is part of my age, the moving averages. Maybe I'm wrong about it, but I think we will get here 3%, and then we said here we will have a rally. We did have the rally, you see, right on the moving average. Now retested the trend line, came back. Now we could push deeper, but I think once we get around 3%, we will start again higher. That will be probably the last rally in the year. Of course, there are some black swans that we need to be careful. So we'll see about that. Gold has a fantastic run. I do think that probably it might do a triple top here, or it may make new highs. We will see. Like, but so far it had a pretty good run here. and I think it should start to correct soon. Also, sorry. Same with silver. This was the trade that was at the beginning of the year. I think I was a bit too hyped. Um, I wanted to get back into a trade so bad, but this was a stupid mistake. But it's okay. It was 0.25 risk. Um, so although someone from the group told me like, "Hey, watch out, it's gonna come down." It's like, "Hey, well, I know, but it looks like it wants to break out." So that was my mistake. No problem. As long as the loss is minimal, I don't care. Here with oil, I think we will trade this. I don't know what to say, but I think um, oh, probably this will be. I told you like we will range in between. Break below, we can trade as low as 50, but I don't see it lower than 50, honestly. But this will be like, but I think it will finish strong, or maybe mid-year or something. We will see the 100s again. So just be mindful of that because this is inflationary. Let's take a look at stocks real quick. Stocks. Yeah. So that's why I wrote about this. Um, China invading Taiwan, right? This is a tail risk, but this is like a crazy idea. But that's what we thought about the war in Ukraine. We thought that it will be over quite soon, and it lasted for some time. So it's still going on. Um, so let's see what happens on this front. Then I said no soft landing for the Fed and underestimate the power of the U.S. consumer. Also, like this one is a weather trade. You might not believe it, but it actually is because there are reserves of natural gas in Germany, and those can get depleted very, very soon. So let's see. Here, sweep of the highs, sweep of the lows, back into mid range here. Still testing this 200 EMA. We have this massive trend line that's holding the price down. I think we will eventually break out of it and we will test this. And I keep on saying that I'm a believer in the earnings season, right? Maybe Q1 not, but Q2 or Q3, I think that's when things will start to roll over, and that's when I think we will bottom out. So probably in Q3, so like summer, right? Or sometime in summer, I think we will bottom out. That will be our generational long opportunities. Okay, maybe I'm wrong on forecasting this. Obviously, you can be wrong in the market. I'm not an analyst, I'm a trader, so I trade smaller time frames. I try to look into the future, see where we're at, but as far as like my fundamental analysis goes, I am limited. So some of my ideas, I put them together from different investors and traders, and like really good ones. Once I put them together, I kind of like, say, okay, I think this will happen. And based on my own thoughts and my own thought process, I'm thinking, okay, this is what's gonna happen. So as long as you're thinking uh, what is going to happen, and you're kind of putting the puzzle pieces together by yourself. I think that what separates you from a mediocre trader and a good one. Um, so I think you should really dig into some fundamental analysis as well if you plan to invest. Because these are opportunities that we will probably have them in our lifetime, and we will have them probably again, but maybe after many years. So it's best to be prepared. Okay. Bitcoin, what a fantastic run, guys. It's insane. Unfortunately, I didn't catch this trade because it missed my entry. Um, let's take a look. I got my entry missed by $48. So, it is what it is. Sometimes the market just doesn't give you what you want. So it's okay. Let's take a look at, I think this was here. Yeah, this is the trade here. 17 hour trade. So this trade here is from 28th of November, and it runs all the way. I said I will take my last profits at 21K. I took some profits here yesterday, closed most of my position, made some fantastic returns. Although the fees of holding this, fuck me, man. Yeah, it was horrible. So uh, we look good here on this front here. So I'm not gonna do anything. I'll wait for a pullback. We took the December high. We took the June low. I want to see retest this June low here. 17.17600. Once we test that, I am down for a long. If not, I really don't want to buy in the middle here. I have to wait for something. If not, I will probably short the mid range June August here, 2020, 2022. Sorry, I'm living in the past. So I will probably short this area here, and let's see where it takes us. This is a nice squeeze. Again, we have to wait for some trades. Same here, missed this one. This one I missed it. I think I told you a couple of times I was drunk in this period, so and I really I really don't care. It's okay, there will be another one. Oh, fuck him. Ethereum, I think it looks kind of exhausted here. Um, Same here. Missed the trade by a few. Yeah, I think I didn't get filled by like $1 or something, on Ethereum. Can't remember exactly, but I know I didn't take this trade. So overall, this looks fucking choppy as fuck. We're still in a big range, right? So nothing changed here. So this is a massive range for Ethereum, um, from the lows here to the highs here. So we're still in this, um, to 900 area. So I think there will be another opportunity if we got caught by surprise and this was the bottom. Well, you can't catch them all, guys. So sometimes it takes you and you're unprepared. Okay. So yeah, that's it for today. We'll have to be patient with this. Remember, I can go all the way here. So probably I'll fill some more orders, but I think that will be it. Um, have a great weekend and catch you on Monday.